Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Makaya. I'm back and I'm black and I'm back and I'm black and I'm back and I'm black and I'm back and I'm black. And today I'm bringing you all a reaction video. We're going to be reviewing Tory Lanez Enchanted Waterfalls. I took a listen to this album last night and I really liked it. The album is titled Alone at Prom, and my favorite song is, hold on, let me look at it. I can't think of it right now. Hold on. Hurt from Mercury. That song is so good. I like 8 out of 11 of the songs, and that's pretty good to me. And it has like an 80s sound. And I think people forget and fail to realize that Tory Lanez is really talented. Like, this brother is really talented. And he really took you back to the 80s. Like, really took you back. So I recommend people to listen to this. It ain't that long of an album. And it just puts you in that sense. It's something different and a different feel from what you're hearing nowadays. I love hearing a song that doesn't sound like everything else out. And regardless of what's going on with the whole situation, whatever side you're on, that really doesn't matter. You cannot deny how this man's talent is and the way his ear is and how talented this man really is. So we're going to get right into it. So before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more of me. And if you're new, hey. And if you're a returner, I really appreciate the love. So without further ado, let's get into the video. He's even like Michael Jackson Thriller vibes. Yeah, most definitely Thriller vibes. I'm seeing the second.
Finding the feelings you chased away, realizing this could have been a lie. But if you want, gotta stay here. But would you let me know? I can't take heartbreak for us so long. Yeah, baby, won't you let me know? 'Cause I'm still stuck on you. But would you let me know? I can't take heartbreak for us so long. Yeah, baby, won't you let me know?
I really like the vibe of that song. Like, it just may put you in a calm state. It's really groovy. Like, I really like that song. That's not my favorite song from the album, but that was my first time checking out the video. And I think the video was pretty tight. I think it was given like that 80s vibe back when Thriller was around. And this may be something new that people are hearing from Tory Lanez, but it's just showing how well-rounded and how talented this man really is. So I enjoyed it. I rate this song a cool 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. And I can most definitely vibe out to this. This was already added to one of my playlists because hearing this while you're taking a shower, while you're driving, whatever the case may be, is a vibe. I thank you all for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more of me. And I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed.
You don't gotta put your cup down. Hold on, drink freely. Holla at me if you need me. Maybe you should enjoy.